Hey there guys, today I got an ABUS 7240, got this lock on a trade, so appreciate that. Thank you for sending this lock out. Oop, dropped the key. This lock does work. There it is, opened. Close it back up here. Give you a look at the key bitting. Try to, every time I say that, that part of the video comes out blurry. There's a look at the key bitting. Hopefully you guys can catch a glimpse of it here if I try holding it at different angles. There's a look at it. Hopefully something happened with that. When I go to pick this lock open, or before I do, down here by the drain hole, this lock has two letters, YD, Yankee Delta. I think that's a reference to the keyway that's being used by ABUS. I don't know, I'm not that familiar with ABUS products. When I pick this lock open, I gotta use a Peterson flat tension tool, double-ended. I have trouble getting a standard tension tool down here in the bottom of the keyway, and being able to pick the lock doesn't give me a lot of room, so I gotta use top of the keyway tensioning. Get that done here, get that set up. I'm going to use my hook pick from Southord out of their Pagoda pick set. Just going to go in here. Before I get started, I should explain what's going on. This lock doesn't give me a lot of feedback until I get it into a false set. And so, when I start picking this lock, that's all I'm trying to go for, is just a false set. I'm not really paying attention what pin I'm on or where I'm at inside the keyway. I'm just trying to get the lock into a false set. Once I get it into a false set, it starts giving me a lot more feedback. But here we go. Stick my pick in, go back to the keyway here, start pushing up on the pin stacks. See if I can get this lock into a false set and get this lock open quickly. Sometimes this lock takes 1 minute. Other times this lock takes 15 minutes. Just all depends on if the planets are lined up, if you got good karma, you got good mojo. I don't know what the hell it is. We'll see here. Hopefully I get this lock picked open quickly. Try to get him into a false set. A little bit of feedback now, maybe into a false set. Let's not know it. Let's see here. This lock does have security pins. I think it's got a lot of mushroom pins in it. I didn't say that before. Okay. Kind of feels like I'm in a false set. We'll find out here. One pin set. Okay, I think I'm in a little bit of a false set here. Get that pin up. Kind of feels like it. Go through here, look for some feedback from the pins. Counter rotation maybe. Getting any really good feedback here. Not anything that I can use. Overset something. something didn't get fully set. Not quite sure. Try a couple more passes here. Come on, baby. Okay, go ahead and rotate the plug all the way around and start over again. Just wasn't really feeling anything. Come on. Still not getting anywhere. Come on, baby. I think I'm in a false set, but barely. Something's not getting set or pushed up high enough or something. Let's try it again here. Try it a couple more times. Okay, getting a little bit of feedback now. Let's just see what's going on here. Okay, got my first false set. Let's see if I can get this lock open. I'm gonna go look for some pins to give me some feedback. There we go. Thought I had them open. Oh, dang it. Thought I had them open. Just a couple more pins here. Yep, another false set. Yeah, I thought I had them. Come on. Yep. Doing this song and dance in and out of false sets, so definitely getting closer. There we go. Whew. I was sweating on that, guys. Like I said, this lock can come open in like 1 minute, or sometimes it can take 15 minutes. There it is, picked open, ABUS 7240. I guess the trick is with this lock is to get into a false set, because for me, when I go through there and pick, I hardly get any feedback until I get into a false set. Sometimes I don't even know I'm in a false set. And all of a sudden, mysteriously, as I'm going through the different pin stacks from the back to the front, I'll start getting feedback from the pins. And once I get some feedback, I can feel what's going on, get the lock open. But there was ABUS 7240. Give you guys a look at the key bitting here again. Hopefully it shows up. Yeah. Hopefully you guys can see something. There's a look at the key bitting. And ABUS 7240. I've said that like 5 times now, but as always, you guys have a good one.